that way, but sometimes if like if shit's everywhere, like I don't want a part of it. Like everybody's.
Subway South, this is Abby speaking.
Yes. I want wheat bread with shredded cheese. Prep.
Are you coming in to make an order, or are you picking it up?
Say what?
Are you going to come in to pick up your order?
Yeah, after it's made.
Okay, so hold on, let me get something to write it down.
Okay.
I'm mad at you right now. I'm not gonna go. We're not going. Ridiculous.
So you wanted a footlong with wheat bread?
Yeah.
Okay, and shredded cheese?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
What kind of meat?
Oh, do you have beef Wellington?
Oh my god.
No, we don't.
Salmon?
Nope.
Shoot. Okay. You got anything rich? What's the richest thing you got?
What's the richest thing we have?
For like a rich nigga.
I mean, I don't know, I guess it would be like the steak or the buffalo chicken or something like that.
Yeah, I'm a buffalo chicken kind of nigga. Okay. I'll take some of that on there. Yeah.
Okay, is it toasted?
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, I like where this is going.
Okay, and then what kind of veggies?
Extra onion on that.
Okay.
Light lettuce.
Okay.
Got sauerkraut.
I'm sorry?
Sauerkraut.
No, we don't have that.
I'm a boss. I need sauerkraut. Let me get banana peppers, jalapenos, pickles.
Okay.
Yep, I think that's it.
Do you want any sauces like mayo or more of the buffalo sauce?
Can I get a mayo, spicy mustard?
Okay.
Sriracha.
Okay.
Yeah, sriracha. And you got anything? No, I guess that'll be it. That'll be all.
That's it?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, do you know what time you're going to be coming in to get this?
Probably like tomorrow when I get off work.
Okay. What time is that?
About 1:30.
Okay.
Alright. Well, thank you.
Alright.
All
Bye.
right. Love you.
I'm so mad at you that you just did that.
That's how you do it.